Hi everyone! Welcome to the Python Developer Journey. You'll only find this here on the Core Dev Lab channel. And today, we will learn about variables, variables type, type conversions, writing variables and reading variables. A variable is a container that stores data in your program. You can change the value stored in it whenever you need. Let's get started. Variables are like nicknames we assign to memory locations used by your code. It's much more practical to abstract this information and make your code easier for humans to understand. Since it is generally complex and known as it is. For example, we can create a variable named name and store the name John, which is consequently stored in the computer's memory, rather than asking the computers to store the word John, starting at memory address X. It would be a major problem for us to have to remember the memory address in order to retrieve the name John later on. So how do we do this? In various languages, such as C, for example, we need to declare the data type that a variable will receive. For example, char name John. We call this strongly typed language. Python uses dynamic typing. In other words, we don't need to declare the data type. We intend to store it in a variable as Python automatically recognizes it for us. Here is a brief observation. This explains why the Python language consumes more memory. We covered this in the introductory video, video 1, of our playlist. If you don't recall it, I suggest you go back and watch the explanation. To declare our first variable in Python, we simply write name equals open and close brackets, inside of brackets, John. Here, the variable name receives the string John. Other types of variables can be age equals 25, weight equals 1.75, and character receives a between single quotes. A variable must always begin with a letter or underline. Python is case sensitive, so name with lowercase is not equals name with uppercase. There are different variables. Python supports approximately 33 reserved words. These words cannot be used for any other purpose. Python is weakly typed. Do not use type. Python abstracts this process for us. The main data types in Python are integer for whole numbers, such as -20, 7, and others. Floating point number, type float, for values with decimal place. And strings are text. These are sequence of characters, such as hello world, for example. Have you ever heard of the Hello World course? Legend has it that if you don't start your code by printing the phrase hello world, your code won't succeed. Amazing, is it? The next data type used in Python is Boolean, list, tuple, dictionary. Boolean is true or false. List is a collection of elements. Tuple also works with an ordained collection of elements. And dictionary stores kValue pair for mapping. By using the type function, we can determine the type of a variable. For example, type age. We can print this value. Cut here and paste inside of print, save and run the code here. Here we print the type age and is an integer value. We can see here age receive 25. 25 is an integer value. The same is to another variables. We can copy here and put inside weight and character. Save and run the code. And another types is presented for us, float and string. Float because it is a floating point here, and strings is a type of character. You may need convert string to integer, or integer to string, or float point, for example. To do this, use the functions string, int, or float. With print, we can use, for example, string 23. String translate integer 23 to a string showing 23. Print float 25, for example, and print int 2.5. Save and run the code. 23 as string, 25.0 as float, and 2 represents only this side of int, represents only the integer part of float point. In this video and in previous video, we use print. Print show for us in console the values of variables. For example, print, open close brackets, open and close double quotes, the value of age is here, put comma and put the name of variable. Save and run the code. The value of age is 25 because age here receives 25 value. And if change for 11, for example, save and run the code, and the value change to 11. Another way to print variables is using print if, open and close double quotes here, put the phrases, and inside of brackets put the name of our variable. For example, age here, and weight here. Save and run the code. And here is showed for us the age and the weight. Finally, we need to read the data inputted for user using input. For example, age equals int input, open and close double quotes, enter the age. Print, open close brackets, and open and close double quotes. The age is, comma, age. Save. To run this code, we can use the terminal here inside of our folder and put Python underline underline, press tab, main underline underline dot py. Place enter, enter the age 26, for example, press enter, the age is 26. If you can get only phrases, for example, phrases, resaves input, enter the phrases. Here we can print phrases. Save and run the code. Python underline main here. Enter the age 25, for example. Enter. Enter the phrases. This code is running, for example. Press enter, and here is showed for us this code is running. That's all for today, everyone. In the next video, we will learn about arithmetic operators in Python. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and enjoy our content. We have new videos every Thursday and Tuesday. See you next time.